Hey guys, today we'll start with a new topic on sets, which is we'll try to find out various method which we can add items to a set. Now, when I'm talking about adding set items, it implies including new elements to an existing set. Now, since sets are mutable, which means you can modify them after they have been created. So while elements within the sets must be immutable, such as integers, strings, or tuple, the set itself can be modified. Yeah, so I can modify the set. You can add items to the set using various methods like add, update, or set operations like union and set comprehension. Yeah. So, but one thing that you need to understand is uh, sets has their own ability to hold only immutable objects. This is because sets internally use a hash table for membership testing. Now, this is a bit technical, but I'm just trying to give you an understanding why it is immutable. Meaning they have a hash value that never changes during their lifetime. Yeah. So that's a bit technical, but you do not need to worry about it. What you need to understand is we can add item to a sets. Yeah, using various methods. That's what we are trying to understand in this particular video. Yeah. Now, what are the various methods by which you can add items to sets? Let's first check on how we can add items by using the add method. We have checked this when we did the methods for sets, wherein we looked into the add method. Yeah, so I'll just quickly run through this because we have already covered it during our methods video, which you can go ahead and look into exhaustive examples that we have covered. So I'll just quickly do that. Just for your understanding, the add method in Python is used to add single element to the set. It modifies the set by inserting the specified element if it is not already present. If the element is already there, then the add method has no change on the set. So you need to remember that. Yeah. So remember this. Let's see a quick example. So suppose I have created a set, empty set. Yeah. And I want to add various languages now. Yeah. So what I'm doing is I'm adding language C, I'm adding language C++, I'm adding language Java, and adding language Python. Now I'm printing the entire set lang. Yeah. So it should give me, yeah. So this is the entire set with all the added languages to it. Yeah. So this is how you can add items to a set. Now there is a method as well wherein we have seen earlier, wherein we can update item within the set. So with the use of update method. So you have an update method as well by which you can update data or items within a set. So what update method does is, so update method of the set class is used to add multiple elements to the set. Now it modifies the set by adding elements from an iterable such as another set, or could be list, or could be tuple or string, yeah, to the current or the original set. The elements in the iterable are inserted into the set if they are not already available. So if the elements are not available, then it will get added. But if the elements are already available, it will not update the set. It will keep the set as it is. So you can add any sequence. You can add list, you can add tuple, you can add string. Yeah, we have covered this in our methods earlier as well. So I'll just quickly, for a refresher, how it is done. Suppose I have this set 1, 2, 3, and I'm adding a list that is 4, 5, 6 to the existing set. So I'm updating the existing set with the elements as 4, 5, 6. Yeah, and it would be, I will print this. So we'll see that 456 is automatically added to the set using the update method. Yeah. But as I said, if the element is already present within the set. So if I say I have in my original set of 4, comma 5, yeah, only 6 is not present. So it will update only 6 which is not available in my original set. Yeah, the output would be same, but it will update only 6. It will not, since this 4, 5 are being repeated, not it will not have multiple elements within the set because your set always has unique elements. Yeah, so this is another method of updating a particular set. Yeah, you can, this was an updated set. What we can do is we can also update a single element. Yeah. So I can always have only single element within this list and I'll say update. Yeah. So I can update only a single element within a set. I can do that. Yeah. Uh, what else we can do? Uh, now, uh, we need to understand one more thing. So I can add any sequence object as set items. Yeah, through update. Yeah. So I'll show you what I'm talking about. We can update any sequence object as set items when I'm saying that. So suppose I have language one, that is uh, C++ Java. Okay. And I have this language two, yeah, which is probably SQL or C hash, yeah, or I have Perl. Yeah? And if I have to update it in lang 1 and I'll say lang 2, yeah, it should update the original sequence. Okay, have I missed anything? One dot update. Okay, I was talking about set, right? I have incorrectly placed parentheses instead of curly braces. So these are tuples. Tuples cannot use an update method. So here it is. Yeah. So you can add a sequence object as a set items. So you can have set items within the. But when I'm talking about string, if I have to update a string, the the update method works a bit of weirdly. So you need to check this example when you are updating a string. Yeah. So suppose I have this set one set hello. I have this string. You'll see what happens in the output. I have, I'll say set one dot update world. So what I'm trying to do is in this set one, I am updating world to it. So just check the behavior. What happens is it breaks the entire string and constructs it alphabet wise. And it moreover, it removes the common character. So if you see there is an O in both which was common, L which was common, it has removed those. Yeah. Even in the same word, L was repeated. Still it had removed and kept only one L from both the strings. So these are the things that you need to understand when you are trying to add or update a particular data type into other. Yeah. This will help you to understand what is the output that I should expect from that particular query that we are running. Yeah. So this is very important when you're trying to add or update a certain thing so that you understand the output and accordingly you can frame your code. Another way you can add a set item is using the union operator. So you can add items using union operator. So you know what is using. Let me just we have seen this union operator in our previous methods as well. So I'll keep quickly run you through the this is uh, union operator is usually used to perform a union operation between two sets. So it unites two sets or two or multiple sets. Now we can add set items using union operator by performing union operation between them. So either you have to use the pipeline symbol, yeah, or you can use the union method. Any of these two methods will work. Yeah. So pipeline symbol is one of the option by which you can unite or combine two sets, which is again adding two sets, and pipeline symbol is then another one. So we'll check both of this in our. So suppose I have this operator. I have this set C, C++, Python, Lang2, SQL, C, Hash, and Perl. So I have these two languages which have been put, and I'm creating a new language altogether by using the union operator. So adding items instead using pipeline operator. Guys, this I have covered in my methods, various methods that are available for set, which you can go ahead and check. Right now, I'm just giving you the various ways in which you can add items to the set. So I'll not cover the individual methods in detail, which you can go and refer back to my videos on the methods specifically. So this one way of that's why it is not running. Okay, yeah. So you can see this two languages being added into Lang 3 and you get a combined set. So you have added items to the list. What I can do is I can use uh, adding items, sorry, adding items using union method. Now we will be using union method. So what is the union method? So I'll have lang1 dot union and in brackets parenthesis I'll have lang2. So the output would be the same. Output is not different. You can see this, the output of both of the methods, that is through a pipeline symbol or a union operator, the output would always be the same. So this is the way in which you can add items using the operators. The last method by which you can, it's a bit complex, but definitely you can use it by using set comprehension. Yeah. So we saw how we can use various options available in sets through methods or through loops or through various other ways there are multiple ways in which you can do the same thing, which could be more effective as and when you require it. Okay, coming back to set of comprehensions. Now, set comprehension is a way to create sets using single line of code. Yeah, you know that. Yeah, you have a function, you have a variable, then you input, iterate variables through a particular set. Now, it allows you to generate a new set by applying an operation on that particular that particular set. Now, we can add set items using set comprehension by iterating using using the list set comprehension through an iterable. Yeah. So you need to have those iterable enclosed within curly braces. That's more important. So get a set. If you enclosed it within a square bracket, then it would be a list comprehension. It will not be a set comprehension. So the curly braces is the identifier. Let me show you an example. So suppose I have numbers, yeah, as a list. I have this list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Then I want to square them. Yeah. But see to it that I have enclosed them within curly braces to see to it that it has been considered as set. So what this squared set will have is it is converting this list, each item into square of the numbers and storing them in the sets. So I'm adding them to the sets instead of lists, they would be stored as sets, set items. So you can see this output is stored within the curly braces. So this is how you can add items to a set by modifying them, yeah, or giving them a certain operation. Not necessarily you perform the operation, but yeah, usually set comprehension, you'll use it to make some or do some operations on any of the sequence data types and them in the sets. Yeah. Hope you understood how you can use various methods to add items within a set. Yeah, so we used like the add method, then we use the update method, we use the set comprehension, we use the union operators as well. Yeah, so hope you understood it. Hope you liked the video. Do like, share it with your colleagues who want to learn Python. Um, I would also love to have your comments where you find certain things important and you want to convey to my viewers, or you have certain pointers which you want to talk about on this video. Do comment on the video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel in order to get such informative video at your inbox. Thank you.